Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So don't miss any steps and just follow my screen. We will fix this issue together. First of all, we need to go to the C drive. For that, we need to open File Explorer. Simply go to search bar and type here File Explorer and click here to open it. And then we need to just go to this PC. Right click on C drive and open its properties. Then go to Tools tab and click on Check from Error Checking section and select Scan Drive. So this will take around 2 to 3 minutes to complete the scan process, and it will try to check out the errors regarding this problem in your system and will fix it. So for now the Windows successfully scanned the drive and no errors were found. So close this window, click on OK, and then just you need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. You can also open it from right clicking on the start icon and select run. Then type here services.msc and hit enter to open services window, and then just scroll down, press W to get Windows search service quickly. Here it is. Right click on it and select properties. Make sure we need to set startup type as disabled, and we have to do the same process for sysmain. So find out sysmain. Here it is. You can right click on it, select properties and set startup type as disabled. Then click on apply and then OK. Now close this window, and for now we are going to execute the two commands from the command prompt. So just go to search bar and type here cmd, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S, and we have to execute the two commands. Type here gp update and hit enter. So this will take around 2 to 3 minutes to complete the updating policy. The computer policy updated has successfully completed and we will execute the next command, that will be scan drive. So type here sfc space / scan now and hit enter. So this process will take around 10 to 15 minutes, depends upon your configuration. The best configuration, the process will be completed quickly. So we need to complete this process and then we will restart the system. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Make sure you have to check out that comment, and that's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.